Hi everyone, I hope you had a great day today. If you have followed my page, you probably would have noticed that I started working on statement earrings at the beginning of this year. In this video, I'll quickly introduce a few new designs that I have created, and of course there are many more to come, so keep like and subscribe to my page to see them first. By the way, I made these drawings myself using the software called Illustrator and printed them out at home with my Canon printer. They turn out amazing and I love them to bits. Alright, let's get started with the first one, shall we? Where there are lots of hearts, there's love, and you all know it's Valentine's Day soon, so I'm sure the ladies would love to wear one of these pairs on the day. I call this Pear Kya Knight because it's dark blue with moon shape printed on them. If you can see, it's a little imprint here. And here's the Freshwater Pearls certainly light up the night sky. It's so gorgeous reflection. Well, goes with the previous pair is the blue cloud, with Freshwater Pearls that look like raindrops. I'll just get a close up for you to see the pattern and the tiny little pearl. It's so cute. There you go. If you're a fan of chocolate ice cream like myself, this is fun to wear, and the best part is that you don't have to worry about calories in these. So in this ultimate solution, look at these, so cute. These are abstract earrings inspired by one line art of a woman's shape. It represents femininity. Gosh, I've practiced to say this word so many times. The sensitivity, gentleness, affection, and all the characteristics associated with women. So you can see the shape there and a little hair bun, and I think I love this pair. These are flowers earrings and they're available in two different colors. I really love the white one because they would match just with any outfit, but the acetone ones are also fun to wear. Oops, sorry. Last but not least, these are Dusty Road statement earrings. They're one of my latest creations and I absolutely love the color palette. And I made them so that it wouldn't be too bulky to wear, certainly elegant enough to be in office wear. So snatch yourself a pair if you want these to wear in the office. So these are all new designs and are available on my Etsy shop. Are there special colors that you would love to wear? Any designs that you would love to see in my new collections? Please drop me a comment below and let me know. That would certainly inspire me to create the next design for you. Also, please note that I use these ball pins, which are stainless steel so it doesn't rust or turn green, which is very important for sensitive skin. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to my social pages to keep up to date. Have fun and see you in the next video. Bye bye!